Hey there fellow travelers, Mark here with Wolters World, and today we're in Tallinn, Estonia. And today we're going to talk about is a quick little video on tipping in Estonia. Do you tip or don't you tip? And in Estonia, yes, you do tip. About 10% on the restaurant bill. And here you're going to pay with card a lot of times, and sometimes they'll have a little thing to write your tip on there. You'll see that, but the better way to do it is to give cash directly to the waiter or waitress that served you. And they use euros here, so you can have stuff from when you're coming from Finland or Latvia or whatever, and you'll be okay. So just to give you a heads up, yes, you do tip about 10% when you are here. If the service sucks though, don't feel like you have to tip though, so don't worry about that, but just know about 10% you'll be fine. Oh, and also when you're asking for the bill, you need to go ask for the bill, because they're not always bringing it whenever you think. So be like, hey, can I get the bill please? Just a heads up on that one. Also at some of the cafes, you've got to go up and order at the bar instead of waiting for them to come to you. Anyway, I hope that helped. If you want to learn a little bit more about Estonia, we have a couple videos from here and in the Baltics in general. Check us out on our website, woltersworld.com. We're also on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those things. And we really appreciate your likes, subscriptions. And if you like travel videos like this, please do subscribe. We put out a new travel video every Wednesday and Saturday. And I'll say bye from Estonia.